In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a grid in Adobe Illustrator quickly and professionally. Whether you're designing layouts, posters, social media graphics, UI mockups, or print materials, grids help you align elements perfectly and keep your design clean and consistent. The good news is Illustrator has a built-in grid tool that makes this incredibly easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing project where you want to add your grid. Once you're on your artboard, go over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Look for the Line Segment tool. You may see just a line icon. Click and hold on that tool to reveal the hidden tools underneath it. From the drop-down menu, select the Rectangular Grid tool. This is the tool we'll use to build our grid. Now that you've selected the Rectangular Grid tool, move your cursor over to your artboard. To create the grid, simply click and drag diagonally across the artboard. As you drag, you'll see a grid shape forming in real time. Don't release your mouse yet, because this is where the magic happens. While you are still holding down the mouse button, you can customize the grid structure using your keyboard. If you want to add more rows, press the up arrow key. Each time you press it, Illustrator adds another horizontal division. If you want fewer rows, press the down arrow key to remove them. To adjust the number of columns, use the right arrow key to add more vertical divisions. Press the left arrow key to reduce the number of columns. You can keep pressing the arrow keys until the grid matches exactly what you need for your layout. This gives you precise control without opening any extra panels or settings. As you're adjusting the rows and columns, you can also continue dragging your mouse to control the overall size of the grid. Drag wider to make it larger, or adjust the proportions depending on your design needs. This makes it extremely flexible for different project types. Once the grid looks the way you want in terms of size, rows, and columns, simply release your mouse. Your grid is now created on the artboard as a fully editable vector object. That means you can resize it, change its stroke color, adjust the stroke weight, or even apply effects just like any other shape in Illustrator. If you need to resize the grid after creating it, select it using the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of the toolbar. Then click and drag the corner handles to scale it. Hold Shift while dragging if you want to keep the proportions consistent. You can also adjust the appearance by going to the Properties panel. From there, change the stroke color to something lighter if you're using the grid as a layout guide, or increase the stroke weight if you want the grid to be more visible as a design element. And that's it. That's how you create and customize a grid in Adobe Illustrator using the Rectangular Grid tool. It's fast, precise, and perfect for building structured, professional layouts in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.